Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a question where we are going to find the volume of a solid of revolution using the washer method. We've got a region bounded by y equals 3x, y equals 9, and the y-axis, and we are rotating it around the line y equals 10. Don't let the axis of rotation trip you up. Let's break it down. Step 1 is always to draw it. If you can't see it, you can't solve it. Our boundaries are y equals 3x and y equals 9. To find their intersection point, we set them equal to each other. So 3x equals 9, so x equals 3. Our region goes from x equals 0 to x equals 3. Now, look at our rotation line, y equals 10. This is a horizontal line above our region. This means we are rotating horizontally, so we will integrate with respect to x. Because there is a gap between our region and the axis of rotation, we get a hole in the middle, like a donut or a washer. We need two radii. The outer radius, big R, is the distance from the axis, y equals 10 to the furthest boundary. That's our slanted line, y equals 3x. Therefore, big R of x equals 10 minus 3x. For the inner radius, small r, is the distance from the axis, y equals 10 to the closest boundary. That's the flat line, y equals 9. So, small r of x equals 10 minus 9 equals 1. By now, we know our outer radius, which is 10 minus 3x, and our inner radius, which is 1. It's time to plug them into the washer method formula. Volume equals pi times the integral from a to b of the quantity. Outer radius squared minus inner radius squared, dx. Plugging in our values from x equals 0 to x equals 3, we get volume equals pi times the integral from 0 to 3 of the quantity. 10 minus 3x, all squared, minus 1 squared, dx. Let's simplify inside the integral first. So, the quantity of 10 minus 3x, all squared, becomes 9x squared minus 60, x plus 100. Now, subtract the inner radius, 1 squared. 9x squared minus 60, x plus 100, minus 1 equals 9x squared minus 60, x plus 99. Let's integrate each term. 9x squared becomes 3x cubed. 60x becomes 30x squared. And 99 becomes 99x. So our integral is pi times 3x cubed minus 30x squared plus 99x to be evaluated from 0 to 3. Since the three terms have an x value, so evaluating for x equals 0 will result in 0. So let's concentrate on the upper limit only. Pi times the quantity, 3 times 3 cubed minus 30 times 3 squared plus 99 times 3. This is equal to 108. And there it is. The volume is 108 pi cubic units. The key takeaway? Always subtract your function from the axis of rotation if the axis is above the region. If this video helped you understand this question, hit that like and subscribe button for more step-by-step math tutorials.